In this video, we will show you how to hide WhatsApp chat. There are several methods how you can hide the WhatsApp chats. First, the easiest way you can using archive menu. Okay, if you can see here, there are archive menu. To using this, you can just hold the chat with someone here, for example, and then just click this. Okay, after you click this, now your chat has gone. Whenever you receive the message or chats, it will not show in here. So it's just very easy to hide the WhatsApp chat with the archive method. And the second method, you can using second space or application protector. If you are using smartphone that support second space, you can just install the WhatsApp on the second space. You can see I will choose my settings here. Okay. And this method not hide the WhatsApp chat only. It will also hide the entire WhatsApp. Okay. So this is second space. If you find the second space, you can using this. Okay. Second space and click to on second space. Creating a second space. With the second space, you have two space. One is original and the second is second space. Now my smartphone disconnected because I'm using second space. I will click continue on my smartphone. And this is I'm using second space. When you click the second space to activate them, you can see this is draw our pattern. I will draw my pattern first. Okay. Oh no, I already select my pattern like this. No, like my main interface. Now you can see the second space is very different with your main of your Android. You can see this is my application. Then when you want to install to Play Store, on Play Store, you need also to sign in. Okay. The second space is different. This is how you can hide the entire application different from your main from your smartphone. You can see if I click switch, I'm back into my real, okay, not virtual space. You can see this is very different, the application. Okay, you can see there. Okay, and this is my WhatsApp. You can put the WhatsApp on the second space to hide the entire WhatsApp, or you can also using application hider, okay, or protector. Okay, I will show you application protector. Okay, using one of these application protector, you can lock the application using password or pattern. But the first one to hide your chat using archive is the easiest way. And that's all how you can hide WhatsApp chat on Android or on the WhatsApp application. Thanks for watching.